Hey guys, welcome back. Now the next method we are going to see is symmetric difference. Yeah, we are making the difference method a bit more tougher as we go ahead. Yeah, it's not tougher, rather it is making your operations more simpler. Now, what symmetric difference does is it is used to obtain elements present in either of the two sets, but not in both sets. So, if there are any common elements, it will remove it from both the sets or the multiple sets that we have, and it will give you the uncommon elements within the set. Usually, symmetric difference is a set of operation in mathematics as well. If you have done mathematics earlier in your any of your curriculum, then it is denoted by a triangle. Yeah. Now, when we apply it between two sets, A and B, it returns a new set containing elements that are in A or B, excluding the common one between the both. Now, why it is useful? It is useful for comparing and manipulating data sets, which is often employed uh, in finding elements between collections. Oh, okay. Now, what it will do is it will remove the common element and it will give you the difference from both the elements. Yeah, it is same like outer join if you have done it in SQL. Yeah, this operation facilitated efficient data analysis. Now, set manipulation and algorithm design in various computational tasks. Okay, so what you need to remember is symmetric difference. It will give you the elements from both the sets after removing any duplicate items which are available by joining both the two sets. Yeah. So the syntax here is syntax set name dot the method that is symmetric difference. Yeah. And we have the parameters that is other. Now the other parameter will contain all the sets. Yeah. So other will have will accept another set as a parameter with which the symmetric difference is supposed to be calculated. Okay. So let's quickly run to an example of symmetric difference. So let's understand a quick example on symmetric difference method. Yeah. So suppose I have this my original set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Listen, guys, I'm trying to keep all my example common between my common topics or the topics that I'm teaching so that you can relate the difference in the output that comes from this codes. Yeah. So I'm using the same numbers, probably the same set values or variables so that you can understand, so that you can relate the output with each other. Yeah. So my original set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My set 2 is that's the iterable set which I need to add is 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, what are the common elements? Is the 3, 4, 5 is common between both the sets. You can see this. Yeah. So 3, 4, 5 is common between both the sets. So ideally, this method symmetric difference will remove this 3, 4, 5 and give you a new set which is 1, 2, and 6. Yeah, ideally it should do that. Here it is. So as we thought of, it has given you the set with the difference between the two sets by removing the duplicate items from both the sets. Yeah. Now, suppose I have multiple set. Now here, symmetric difference is using only one set at a time. Yeah. Suppose I have multiple sets from which I have to remove it. Multiple set using symmetric difference method. So there is a way in which we can do that is I'll say different set that is my set, yeah, dot symmetric difference set 2 set 3, yeah, and it has to give the difference of set. Let's see what happens whether it gives you the, oh, it has not. As I told you earlier, symmetric difference accept only one set at a time. It does not accept multiple set. So does not accept multiple, I'll write here, does not accept multiple set as parameters. So what do we do in this case? So in this case, what we can do is we can have nested symmetric difference. So what we can do is I can have set 2, I'll say dot symmetric difference set 3. Yeah. So what it is doing is from my set, it is first taking this set 2, it is comparing it with this set, removing the elements which are available. So it is removing 3, 4, 5 from both the set. Then it is going to set 3. It is checking what is available. So the element which is available is 6. Yeah. And it will then give you the output. So let's see what is the output. So it is 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. Why? Okay. So let's understand. So it took my first set. It removed these 3 elements because it was available in set 2. So these 3 elements are already removed. Yeah. At this junction. Yes. So this particular set will remove the elements and give you this set. Now it will try to check the set 3. Now it gets into the next operation of set 3. It checks this set against this, all these elements. Yeah. So 1, 2, and 6. So only 6 is present. So it gives you the output as 1, 2, 5, 7, and 8. Yeah. Hope you understood how multiple sets can be used in symmetric difference method. This is very important. Yeah. Same way, if I try to pass on an empty set with symmetric difference method, let's see what it gives me as an output. So I have this set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have this empty set which is set 2. So it should ideally give me the original set, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Because there's nothing to remove. There's nothing to divide or nothing to subtract from the original set, which are common between the two sets. I hope I was able to make this method clear to everyone. And also I was able to clear what is the difference in my in the previous methods that we have seen of difference update, symmetric difference. We'll see one more method in my next video, which is again related to update, which is symmetric update. Yeah. Hope you like this video. Do like, share this video with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do share, do comment on this video if you have any views or if you want to pass on any message to the viewers of this video. who want to learn Python and would be happy to learn from your inputs. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get such informative videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.